$15 for a sushi platter at Costco. Let's check it out. It comes with 2 types of hosomaki, 2 types of rolls, and some nigiri sushi. Let's get everything open. Nice. No fishiness, this is a great sign. It comes with real soy sauce, wasabi, and ginger. Alright, hosomaki visually looks okay. Let's check it out. All the flavors are there. You can taste the nori, you can taste the vinegar seasoning in the rice, and you can taste the fish. Having said that, the rice is horrible. It's like a giant block of rice putty. Now for the California roll, it's missing avocado. That's a little disappointing. Imitation crab, a little bit of spiced mayo mixed into it. The cucumber provides a nice crunch. Again, rice, kind of horrible. Spicy tuna is near impossible to mess up, so it's not like super spicy, but you can definitely notice the heat. There's no tenkatsu filler. It's actually bits of tuna diced up with, I can taste a little bit of the sesame oil. On the outside is chili flakes. Now, moving on to the nigiri sushi. The tuna itself, I think visually looks fine. Rice has obviously been stamped out. There's no wasabi underneath. Try to cut the rice with my chopsticks, it's not budging. And I wanna say I'm pretty good with a chopstick. Oh my God. It's actually giving me like a jaw workout and it's making my mouth really dry. It's a shame because the fish itself is actually pretty good quality. Try the salmon. I don't know what's going on with the rice. Like a 6 out of 10. I want to note that this is different from the in-house made sushi. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna give this to camera woman. I want to see what she says.